I am not sure how. I didn't know this, but next to our TJ Maxx, well, not next to, but right close to our TJ Maxx, there is a crumble cookies. Been obsessed with this stuff. Highly recommend. Let's see. Some retinol. I can't do vitamin C. It makes me break out, but I've been wanting to try this. That. Oh, here's a different one. I've been wanting to try hyaluronic acid, so maybe I should try one of these too. Let's try that one. Hyaluronic and collagen. Oh my gosh, there's so many good choices. Section, the hot sauce. I am not seeing the hot sauces. Melinda's is what I'm looking for. They're my favorite. We have that one. Alright, so since I started filming on my phone, I figured I would finish filming on my phone. And let's show you what all I purchased at TJ Maxx. So, as you saw, I went in for a lot of face products, like face, not washing, but oils and serums and stuff like that, because I'm pretty much out. I was also looking for Melinda's hot sauce, but they were out, or I'm hoping that they'll be carrying it again soon. I'm obsessed with the crushed red pepper pizza hot sauce. It is so good. And their mango habanero hot sauce. Those are my top two favorites, and I don't like spicy food, but those, I love them. But I did pick up two snacks. One I just like to keep on hand for when I'm having a sweet tooth, and that is these Heavenly Hunks ridiculously amazing oatmeal white chips. They're gluten-free bites, and they're so good. And I have to say, if you're a breastfeeding mother, that they actually helped my milk supply. So just a little disclaimer, this is something I like to keep on hand, just like if I'm craving something sweet. Just one of these is enough for me. They're very filling, and the bag is $3.99, and there are 6 servings in it. The next thing I grabbed was actually for my mom, but I was so hungry in the car, I figured I would just open it and have a couple, like a little handful. I opened it upside down, of course, and it's these original caramel popcorn. This is horrible. This was the worst thing I think I've ever had. And the reason why is because 1, the popcorn is stale. 2, the caramel is so sticky. It like sticks in your teeth and doesn't move, and it's not a good feeling. This is a no. The last few things I got are for the face, and one thing I got well, all of this is new to me. I've never used any of these products before, so I'm hoping that they don't make me break out, but I picked up the MAXX Shop What Acne Spot Treatment, and this was $4.99. I really like the little stickers for the face whenever I'm breaking out, so I figured I would try their spot treatment whenever I'm not in the mood to have those on, or like if I'm going out or whatever. If I just don't want to have a sticker on my face, I figured I would try this. The next thing I got, which I did put in the video or the footage from the store, is this hyaluronic acid moisture emulsion. It's skin, and I paid $6.99 for this, and it seems like that's a nice bottle. It's beautiful. Oh, it smells so good. Let's see what it feels like. I didn't want to open it in the store, obviously. It feels really soft. Ooh, I like that. My hand feels really soft and full of like it just got a healthy drink of water. So I'm very interested in trying this. It says hyaluronic acid line deeply hydrates and replenishes skin moisture barrier. The same brand, I got their collagen nutrition toner. The box is a little dirty, but not a big deal. The product itself was not opened, and I paid $6.99 for it as well. Again, a beautiful bottle. This smells very good as well. I can barely see it. Oh, it smells good. I'm very interested in trying these two, and I'll let you know what I think of them on my next faves and fails. The last thing I purchased was this Base Beauty facial serum, retinol and squalane. It's a really pretty bottle, and it's really heavy, and I paid $5.99 for this. It was not used. It had a cap on it. Smells really good as well, and it feels very soothing, not sticky or anything like that. You know how sometimes the products will have like that sticky texture and you're just like, ugh. It does not have that. None of these products have had that, and they've all smelled really good. So I will let you know what I think of these. I'm going to try them for the next month, and I'll get back to you. I'm very excited. I'm out of what I've been using. The only thing I am going to continue to use is the CeraVe face wash and CeraVe moisturizer. All the items I purchased, I will try and find a link and list them down below. I'll at least put the names of them down there so that if you go to your own TJ Maxx, you can find what you're looking for. I hope you have a lovely week wherever you are, and I will see you next time. Bye.